The German alphabet. It consists of 26 base letters, just like English. But wait, we also have 4 special characters. A-umlaut, O-umlaut, U-umlaut and SZ. That is, unless you go to Switzerland, where SZ is always replaced by 2S. Let's start with a rapid-fire run-through of the German letters. Follow along and try to mimic the pronunciation. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And don't forget our special guests. Ä called A-umlaut, Ö O-umlaut, Ü U-umlaut. You will recognize the special characters by the 2 dots over the vowel. And the sharp S. The sharp S looks like a capital B, but with a small gap at the bottom. Let's spotlight our special characters. Ä sounds like an A in air. Ö is like turning I in girl into a vocal exercise. And Ü sounds like an exaggerated E with the lips formed as you're whistling. And then there's the SZ or sharp S, a symbol used after long vowels and diphthongs, making the S sound more pronounced, as in Straße, meaning street. Many adventures in the German language trip over certain letters. The German V and W, for example. Remember, V sounds like V, closer to F in English, and W sounds like W, similar to V in English. Another tricky part, the letter J pronounced J, like Y in yes. Practice time. Let's put theory into practice. I'll say a word and you try to spell it based on what you've learned. Ready? Zeitung, meaning newspaper. Pause the video. Now, the spelling. Z, E, I, T, U, N, G. Second word. Käse, meaning cheese. Pause again. And the spelling. K, A-umlaut, S, E. Käse. Phew, we've covered the entire German alphabet